Hi, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Google Keyword Planner. We will learn how to increase search traffic, dominate your niche, and beat your competitor. So stay tuned and do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's start it. Go to Google and type Keyword Planner. Here, go to first link, choose the right keywords with the research tools. So this is the interface. If you want to start your Google Ad campaign, choose Sign In. Otherwise, go to Google Keyword Planner. It will land us on this page. In the top bar, you can see multiple options like setting and builds, tools, reports, search. These all are helpful in our ad campaign, in our keyword targeting, and different things. Here you can see two options: discover new keywords and get search volume and forecast. The first option, discover new keyword, it is used for the newbies who are about to start a blog, website, or any store and they do not know anything about the market trend and have no idea what people search online. So they go for this option and evaluate their search volume and demand of the keywords. In the second option, it is used by those who already have a keyword list and want to analyze it in different aspects. This won't suggest you the keywords, but rather it will tell you the estimated search ranges and CPC data for the keywords. So we're going to try both options in this tutorial. Let's click Discover New Keywords. So here we are. You can type the keyword of your niche here. Like in this case, we will type earn money online. From here, you can choose your default setting, like here it is English and the location is United States. It depends upon which customer you're targeting and which area you're targeting. You can change from there and click Get Results. Here we are. You will get hundreds and thousands of listings in this option. First of all, again, this is the location, language, Google. You can change your search engines from here. And the most cool thing about this, you can change the time period. This is the data of last 12 months, but you can change it accordingly, like last 24 months or all available data. Down here, Google is suggesting you different keywords related to your main keyword like money, get rich quick, and business opportunities, earn money offline, and different. You can also target these keywords with your main keyword. These are the advanced filters. You can use them for searching your competition. You can check your impression on a keyword. You can check the page beats and you can exclude words. Like if I want to exclude the money word from my main keyword, it will remain earn online. So this is, you can play creatively with these filters to get best results. Down we can see average monthly searches, like our main keyword earn money online. It is getting 100,000 impressions roughly, and the competition is really high. You can see here it is suggesting us the competition. For newbies, it is suggested that you will go for the keywords which have high monthly searches but low competition. In the last, this is the bid range. This is not for newbies, so let's not go there. It is used by the channels who are already ranked and monetized. So go back and let's start a search volume and forecast. Here you will type any keyword of your niche, but make sure that this option will not suggest your keyword. It will give you accurate data of your one keyword, only one keyword. So let's suppose our keyword is pizza bhaji. So get started. Ooh, so results are really cool here. As you can see that pizza party keyword is getting 10,000 to 100,000 impressions in United States. Competition is already low, so it's a good keyword for the newbies. Once again, you can change the language, the search engines, and time period from here. Let's see its forecast. So this is the dashboard of the forecast for the specific keyword, and it is telling us that our keyword will get 14 clicks and 2.2 thousand impressions if we spend an ad of $120 on it. Down, this is the color graph, which is telling us the mobile, tablet, and computer searches. Mostly, we can see that it is getting cursed mostly on computers and less on mobiles, but the impressions are mostly coming from mobiles and same as clicks. So this also can be used to add campaigns, and it's a graph telling us the forecast over the next year on a keyword. But let me tell you that this is not the accurate data. You cannot totally count on it. But yes, it is good enough for you to get ideas and to start. Down here, it is also telling us the data in different states, and you can change it from here, different regions and counties, municipalities, top cities, and by conversions, conversion value, clicks, and cost. The whole data of this dashboard will change if you change your location from here, or language, or search engine. So you can play creatively with this dashboard. Going back, there are multiple options in Google Keyword Planner you can use to start your own blog. This is really a very detailed and helpful and free tool for product and keyword research. If you have any questions, approach us in the comment section. And once again, do not forget to like and subscribe. Stay home, stay safe.